Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Tacoma with some great exterior features that include a tonneau cover, 17-inch wheels, and Predator side steps. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray cloth interior. This Tacoma also comes equipped with all-weather floor mats and power seats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. Over in the middle on the touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and a backup camera. Right below that we have our heated seat buttons, followed by your dual zone climate controls. Down along the bottom here you have two outlets along with your TRD shift knob. The back seats come with holders for your tablet or iPad mounted on the back of the headrest. The back seats come with these two holders to mount your tablet or iPad. You also have two cup holders in the back of the center console, a storage pouch in the passenger seat back, and these seat bottoms fold up, giving you access to under-seat storage space. The seat backs also fold down as well, giving you behind-the-seat storage. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma with some great interior features that include heated seats, all-weather floor mats, along with storage compartments underneath and behind the rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.